Same idea, except here's a problem that you're going to see. Something like 2x plus 3y.
Now we're going to see where.
On a quiz.
Z.
Yeah, z.
Is that an imaginary number?
What is z?
Is it just another variable?
It is just another variable.
Why? Why do they bring the alphabet into it?
Okay, Kistler.
So stupid.
Brothers.
Oh, I get it.
There we go.
So now it's just longer?
It's just longer. You have to solve for x, y, and z.
X,
X, Y, Z, does that mean that graph is 3 dimensions?
Yeah, if you were to graph it, it would be a three-dimensional graph. And we could go into that if we want.
No, it's,
Out of
no,
four.
I don't think so.
Huh?
Out of the fourth.
Then it doesn't make sense graphically.
Yeah.
You could talk about this graphically. Yeah, it'd be an XY plane and another plane, and then a Z coming out.
Stop, just teach us how to
So
do
the
this.
graph of each one is a plane. 3 planes can intersect at one point.
What? You're confusing your 7th period class.
They don't watch them anyway, probably. I bet you there are 10 people in that class right now watching this video.
Right now.
Right now. A bunch of them skip because they think, oh, it's on video.
Technically,
But when
it's
they
not
all
right
fail
now.
their quiz on Thursday or Friday, and then we'll see.
What level of math did we get into the 4th dimension?
There isn't one.
No? Well, I know it's all like theory, but
Yeah.
is there any, were they,
Not that I know.
what's new level?
Theoretical math somewhere,
Yeah.
probably.
Like physics?
Yeah, physics would be more where you want to be for that. Anyway, so to do this, to solve all 3 of these, I don't think we're going to get into the graphical part of it.
Yay.
Maybe at the end of the year if we have time, but
No.
it's not looking good. So the way you do this, it's not much harder than what we just did. It's just a little more work. So you just have to be careful. And this is very long. So if you mess up one sign at the beginning,
Oh, great.
you're going to do like 5 to 7 minutes of work and it'll all be nothing.
5 to 7 minutes?
Great.
So all you got to do to start, you're going to do a whole bunch of elimination and then you're going to do a whole bunch of substitution.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're going to pick 2 of the equations.
Pick the first 2.
Yeah, let's pick the top 2. And all you got to do then is eliminate one of the variables. So if I pick those top 2, which would be the easiest variable to eliminate? Y. If I just add these together, won't the Y get eliminated?
Yes.
Alright. So, do I need to rewrite it? Yeah, I'll rewrite it. If I combine those, I got 8x, 3y minus 3y is 0, so plus 7z equals 18.
And then you just do the other one or what?
What do you mean the other one?
What do you do with the third one?
Well, now we're going to use it.
To eliminate that one?
Well, look at now we have an equation that only has 2 variables, right?
Oh.
So what we're going to do is we're going to pick 2 different equations over here,
And plug it in.
eliminate the y again, because then I will have another equation with x and z,
And then combine.
and then it's just like yesterday where I take those 2 and solve.
So it's not harder, it's just more work.
It's just more work.
I'm confused.
So what?
So do you take the bottom?
Yeah, I would pick the top and the bottom because those are both negative, so it's easier to just pick top one and the bottom one. You have to pick 2 different ones though, obviously, otherwise you'll just get the same thing. So we got 2x plus 3y plus 3z equals 6. And 2x minus 3y equals 2z equals 6.
What if you pick 2 different
No,
ones?
we'll
that
say
have the-
4x
that have the y variable?
plus 5z.
Yeah, you want to eliminate the y again. Because what that'll do is that'll give us another equation that has x and z. Then we can use these 2 to eliminate the x or the z and solve for one of them.
The second time that we pick 2 different equations is going to be any different.
Yeah, but you just want to eliminate the y again. I could have picked the top, or these 2. But if I picked these 2, then I would have had to multiply one of them by -1. You could still do the thing where you multiply equations by numbers. This problem is pretty simple. You don't really have to do that. Well, maybe we will. Let's see. Add these. We got 4x. That's 0.
5z
Plus 5z
equals
So
12.
12.
equals 12.
Or equals 12.
Now you grab those two and you do the same thing.
So now I take these two and do elimination again to try to eliminate one of them.
What is this called?
Just solving a system of equations with 3 variables.
Multiply bottom by 8 and top by 4.
You can just do that one by 2.
That one by one.
Oh, yeah.
By that.
Let's leave that one the same.
Oh,
So
yeah,
8x plus 7z equals 18. We could eliminate the x or the z, it doesn't matter. So we could do 5 and 7 to get rid of the z. But it looks simple. Just do that one times 2, or negative 2.
Negative 2.
We'll do that one times negative 2. So that'll give me negative 8x minus 10z equals negative 24.
Oh, yeah, 12.
Because he's trying to get it to eliminate that.
Negative 3z.
Just do an elimination again, trying to eliminate either the x or the z, but we notice this has an 8, this has 4, so it's easy just to multiply that one by negative 2, and that'll eliminate the x.
So x equals like say we get if we
Oh,
multiply
so
by
you're just trying to-
8 or 4, would it still be the same thing?
Yeah, you can do 8 and 4. You're still going to get the same answer, you're just going to have bigger numbers
What about when you plug in?
in the middle.
What z equals, you plug into one of the 3 or one of the 2?
Hold on, you're a step ahead. Do this down, so 0, 7 minus 10 is negative 3z, and 18 minus 24 is negative 6.
Jerry, I can see.
Divide by negative 3.
What did you get, Tim?
Z is 2.
So
Oh, now I understand. That was a big question.
Now, all you have to do
plug it in.
is work backwards plugging stuff in.
I see.
I know z is 2, so can't I use one of these? Plug in z and solve for x? I'll pick this one right here, I don't care. 4x plus 5, I know z is 2 now, equals 12. So that's 4x plus 10 equals 12. Subtract 10. So 4x is 2, divide by 4. X is 1/2. Am I done?
Yep.
Nope, still need y.
Plug in x.
Plug in x and z into one of those. And you
Top one was simple.
top one, okay. 2 times,
Wait, you gotta plug them both in?
2 times 1/2 plus 3y plus 3 times 2 equals 6.
It was 2 times a half.
It's 1.
So wait, you plugged that one into which one?
Why is that even
Well, what? You gotta be more specific.
You plug the x and the z into which equation?
Oh, Jay picked the top one. You could have picked any of those 3. That one just looks simpler because it was all
But this
pluses.
last one, when we plugged in z, we plugged it into what we had already gotten.
Yeah.
Right there. Can we just plug it into one of those as well?
If you plugged, okay, so you're saying you have this, and you're gonna plug it into there.
No, I have that, and I want to plug it into like 8x plus 7z up there.
Hey, it doesn't
Oh yeah, you could use that one to solve for x.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
So finishing this, 2 times 1/2 is 1, 3y plus 6 equals 6. Well, combine like terms, 1 and 6 is 7, so I have 3y plus 7 equals 6. Subtract 7, that's what I'm going to get. 3y is negative 1, divide by 3. Y equals negative 1/3.
Can you pull it up?
So you know how you can write the coordinates of a graph? How would you do that? We just go x, y, and z.
Yeah, x, y, z.
X, comma, y.
I can tell Henry really wants to do 3D graphing.
I want to 3D graphing. This is awesome.
I want to pass the test.
We funded it 3D graph.
3D printing is pretty fun. Make like shapes.
So that's it. That's all you gotta do. Pick 2, eliminate a variable.
That's all you have to do.
There's nothing you don't know how to do on here.
It's just really
It's just a lot of work. Pick 2 of the equations,
Okay.
eliminate one of the variables. Pick a different 2, eliminate that same variable.
If you get one thing wrong, you done messed up.
Yeah. Take those 2, do elimination again, and then you finally have one of your answers. Plug it, then you work your way backwards. Plug it back in, get another one of the variables, and then take those 2, plug it back in, get the last variable.
Algebra looks so confusing.
So you want to find Z first, or do you want to find it?
Doesn't matter. You can do any order. Just whatever looks easier.
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Yes, you will. Thursday or Friday?
That was
Like this Thursday or Friday?
Probably Friday.
Yeah.
Give you like one problem or two problems.
I love making songs.
Here's another one to try.
Okay.
There's only 7 cents.
What?
That it's like 27 cents.
I'm not gonna lie, it's not.
Alright, choose on it.
Yeah, please have it.
Oh, sorry.
There you go. Give you 2 minutes to try that one.
3 minutes?
A few. I don't know. Maybe 5. I'm gonna stop this video though. That was 17 minutes. Wow.
The rest of the period.